Let us listen to Stephen David O. Balasek, a grade 6 pupil from Rizal with honors.
A memorable morning to all of us, our school administrators, our Vice President and School Principal, Mr. Zacarias A. Quintin Jr., the Vice Principal for Preschool and Grade School Department, Mrs. Maria Victoria Arcapua, and for the High School Department, Mrs. Edelita A. De La Cruz, coordinators, teachers, parents, guests, and fellow graduates. As we reach this milestone, it is a great honor to stand before you today and express our deepest gratitude to everyone who has been part of this amazing journey. First and foremost, I want to thank God who has always been our guiding light. Everything is possible because of Him. To our second home, Corinthian School of Valenzuela, thank you for being our safe place. From the staff to the school head, your unending dedication and hard work have made a lasting impact on us. To our Principal, Sir June, allow me to take this chance to say that I have looked up to you since grade 1. I still remember how my feet would shake whenever I had to perform on stage with you as one of the judges. And how proud I felt each time I overcame those nerves and received an award from you. I'm sure many of us here can relate to that feeling. To our Vice Principal, Ma'am Vicky, thank you for your support, wisdom, and encouragement throughout our elementary journey. Because of you, we've learned life lessons that we will carry with us forever. To all our teachers, past and present, thank you for guiding us along this path, for your patience, and for working so hard to expand our knowledge. You help us go from shy individuals with limited abilities into confident learners. Because of you, I learned the value of being mapapagod pero hindi susuko. To our families and parents, our #1 fans, thank you for your unconditional love and support. We know that all you want is what's best for us. Thank you for every sacrifice you've made and for always being proud of our achievements. To my mom, Mami Lai, who has been a mother and a father to me, this is for you. Thank you for loving me, cheering me, and most especially for your understanding. Because of you, I wanted to become a good person. I love you, Mom, and I am proud to be your son. And of course, to our classmates, friends, and study buddies, school life wouldn't have been this complete without the strong bonds we formed, the challenges we faced together, and the unforgettable memories we created. To my fellow graduates, I want you all to be proud of yourself. It wasn't easy, but we did it. As I always say, walang mahirap sa taong nagsusumika. Here's a small confession. I've been scared so many times. Scared of not doing my best, scared to fail, but I overcame it. At the end of the day, I knew I wasn't alone. I had people who accepted me and were proud of me no matter what. The struggle is real, but there is success waiting in every struggle. Just believe in yourself, do your best, pray, and you will be blessed. As I end this speech, allow me to say, congratulations and a job well done to us. Thank you very much.